Oh, this one here? Okay, okay, okay. All right. We're also selling this place.
Ooh, nice.
Somebody got. All right.
Nice, girl. Ooh, I really like this pool.
Yeah, that's nice. Let's open this gate.
Okay. I gotta walk this way.
Okay. I'll walk around the house, guys. All right. I do the walk around, so it's the front entrance, guys. Came through, so there'll be no one to the left of us. I like the lot of this spot. I think it's a 4-bedroom, but I'm gonna say it's at least 3, guys. So I'm gonna get in here. I can't remember. I didn't look at the post since Monday. Yeah, I like the spacing of the place. I believe this is listed for $35K. So it's on a higher end. But we're in Hua Hin, so it's roughly the pricing. But no one necessarily behind it. Well, there's like a garden behind us. So I guess someone lives in this house over there. Pretty secluded spot for the most part. Nice storage. I always like that people walk around our house. Really house feel. Good house feel. The trees, a little cabana right here, guys. Cabana action. I do like that it's a neighborhood. It's similar to where we're at right now, where we could not have to go into the main road and we could walk up and down our street. And this is a little street, but still like that though. Nice villa setup. So it's 3 or 4 bedrooms. I'm gonna say 3 for now. So we go look inside. But obviously adult pool. Very, very nice pool. And you still got the grass around the house. Nice fencing and shrubbery for privacy. Like I said, obviously a nice cabana. Very nice cabana. Be nice and lit in the at night, I would assume. Get some planting going on here, or we could stone it. But I like the lot. If it's your first time seeing our channel, hit a sub for us. Drop a like, leave a comment. We're touring a villa. It's a pool villa, of course, obviously, in Hua Hin, Thailand. So, Hua Hin is more, I would say, residential suburb, obviously retired, kind of slower paced area, city, a little more coastal, a little more beachy than, Bangkok. So a lot of people's initial stopping ground, at least. You could definitely get a nice bang for your buck here with the housing. So, nice entrance, nice gate. Really love the lot. Tour inside now. It's a bedroom right here. And with me, I'm gonna go ahead and open these curtains up for y'all. We like light. We like light. We like light. I'll get this light in for y'all. And for my sanity. A decent double bed. I think it's a queen exactly, but great for the kids. We love these curtains. It's what we have at the house currently. So, love the curtains. Nice view outside, obviously. We love these windows. Look at this. All this window space. This stuff, guys. Gotta have this stuff open. Gotta have this stuff open. Hold on. Gotta figure out what's over there, whatever that building is. But yeah, the lighting is nice. Trying to see how to open this. Look at that, guys. Nice lighting. Beautiful, beautiful lighting. Got the aircon and the spotlights, of course. Decent wardrobe, especially for the kids. Yeah. Nice. Nice curtains, nice lighting. Nice space for sure. This is a very good selling point. I'll see you outside. Very good selling point. Okay. Oh, first bedroom. You got bathroom one. Nice wall. I like the little trim, little stone trim. Window, shower. Now what I notice is there's no water heater. There's no water heater in here, guys. Unless it just naturally heats, which I doubt. Oh, decent setup. Nice colors. Oh, look, I got an outlet in there. Hey, that's nice. You don't see many, at least places we've seen. So just in our experience, you don't see many outlets in bathrooms. Most of a Western thing, so that's nice. Solid bathroom. Solid bathroom. Let's go to bedroom 2. Nice space bedrooms. These double beds perfect for our kids. Nice lighting. Again, bedroom 2 on the same side as bedroom 1. Very nice lighting. That's the property saw outside. Very nice. There's screen projector going on this wall. Very nice wardrobes. Yep. Solid. And they got a little nightstand. I see this home is older than our home. It's definitely on the older side. But some of these older homes have the space. So, solid bedroom. As long as that works, we're good. Solid bedroom. On the kitchen. Okay. Here's one side for the dishes. Drawers. The shelving is just enough. 4-burner stove top. Microwave, toaster, okay. Solid fridge. Okay. Nice. Oh, you get a fan that comes with it too. On the washing machine, I think I passed it. I overstepped the washing machine, I believe, on the walk around. Okay. All right, not too bad. Couch. This couch. I see them. TV system. Oh, really? Okay. All right. Alright. That's nice. The lighting in here is good. Really good lighting. I'm gonna look at the master. So there's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So it's the master. Very nice space. We may have to do some arranging. Putting our TV somewhere. We like to have it across from the bed. So we could probably move this over here. Put the TV right in this area. A nice little coat rack. The wardrobe is fire. You know, I don't mind the brown in here too much. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, nice lighting. Look at that view. That's nice. That's nice. We like the windows on both sides for sure. That's nice. I would venture to probably add some turf. Turf would probably be nice right here. That'd be this little project I may end up doing if we were to go with this route. Yeah, nice. Look, it always looks like this outside, guys. That's why we love it here. We're just in love with this place. It always looks like that outside. This is monsoon, rainy season, and it looks like that outside. Yeah, so they got a little table thing. With some extra space right here. That's cool, very spacious. Very spacious indeed. It's a master bath. Basically, the master baths here are synonymous to like the other, second and third bathrooms if there's more than 2 bathrooms. Again, I don't see the water heater stuff, so I have to ask them about that. Your question, but I like the glass, I like the trimming. A lot of these bathrooms here, unless you're paying more of a premium price, right? Maybe 50 to 60K plus, but you're gonna get the dual vanity, but we just have 1 sink. We've been making 1 sink work. So, but pretty much after a good cleaning, nice bathroom. Love that these outlets are here. Lauren has a toothbrush that she plugs in to power her toothbrush. So, nice space. We like the window. Very nice bathroom. Very nice bathroom, for sure. Is gardening included? No garden? Is Wi-Fi included? Okay. And pool maintenance? Okay.